AfroEthnic Baby.
Meet Afro-Fusion artist AfroEthnic Babe.
Some of us, we are ashamed of being African.
At only 20 years old, the Zimbabwean musician is making a name for being a bold African storyteller and proud daughter of the continent. Everything from her hair to her lyrics expresses her cultural heritage and identity.
We don't want to be known with Africa. I started singing when I was like 14.
But her age is a signal of hope that heritage and culture can be kept alive in modern beats.
We need to be proud and we need to show who we are out there.
So we sat down and discussed how music can bridge the gap in African identity.
I feel like it was a concerted attempt to maybe keep us who are that side from ever looking at Africa as a place to be desired.
Yeah.
And more that's changing. With the advent of social media, Africa has a voice. African creators are putting out their own stories and people that's sort of like, oh, wow, really?
We also delved into her use of the Shona and the Bele languages in her music and how music can be used as the ultimate tool for breaking through barriers and uniting people.
Language can be a barrier, but the beauty about music is oftentimes you break through that.
As a Jamaican who's as passionate about music as I am about Africa's future, we ended up in the studio together.
We've been waiting for you. Ethnic told me you're coming.
She graciously allowed me to join her on her song called Musandi Kanganwe, which is Shona for Don't Forget Me. She did the Zimbabwean interpretation while I wrote a message for the African diaspora that you shouldn't miss. The voices carried across oceans, dreams buried but never broken. Don't forget the ancestors, the drum beats in you. Remember who you are and move forward as one.
AfroEthnic Baby. Amucha simuta marombe mudunure kwedu. Amucha simuta wange musasiye bekwedu.
Yeah, my name is AfroEthnic Babe.
AfroEthnic Babe.
Yeah.
I feel like that name has a lot in it. How did you come up with that name?
The Afro.
We actually came across each other online.
Uh-huh.
I saw her music, I saw her demeanor and her, fashion sense. I was like, this girl is, she's looking like what we want African musicians to look like. But you can't choose what people should look like, right? But I felt like we aligned.
Yeah.
What type of music do you do?
Afro-Fusion.
Afro-Fusion. What's Afro-Fusion?
For example, the type of music Japanese does, that's what I know.
Okay, is it, what is it fused with? So obviously it's Afro, and then what? You can choose to mix it with anything?
Yeah,
or?
jazz,
Okay.
yes, you can do any type, as long as it's Afro.
Put in the Afro in it, that's the point.
Yeah.
All right, love that. So I see beads and buttons, and it's so creative.
Thank you.
Is this how you go about every day? Like, this is your hair all the time?
No.
Or you change it up
Yeah,
sometimes?
I'm like Hannah Montana. So, I'm someone who likes music much and who wants to spread the word out there for my fellow teenagers not to be ashamed to be an African, because some of us, we are ashamed of being Africans. We don't want to be known with Africa, what happened back then, we wanted stuff and so on. Yeah. I can speak in Shona, right?
Yes, you can, please. Go ahead. Okay. I'll hear you. Ndashinzwa. So, no, you said fellow teenagers. It means you're quite young.
Yeah, I am.
How old are you?
I'm 19, turning 20 tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow's your birthday. Oh, nice. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. You're saying you want the teen or the younger generation to be proud of who they are. And that's why you have this image.
Yes.
And I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and it's good, like a young, fresh generation who's proud to be African, proudly African.
Yeah. I started singing when I was like 14, and I started recording when I was like 18. And I have 3 EPs and not too much of my singles.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And music is what you've decided, like, look, this is me, this is what I'm doing.
Exactly.
Why?
I feel free when I sing, like, I don't know, but I just feel like music is magical. Yeah. When I sing, I just feel like free. Most of my times I stay alone, so music is like my friend, my everything.
I want to talk more about the Afro part. Music is diverse, so obviously you sing about a lot of things. But in terms of your ethnicity or Afrocentric things, what is it that you want to get out there to people? What do you want your message to say to people?
Be proud to be an African. I think that's all. And also we should wear our beads. You know. Yeah, we need to wear them. We need to be proud and we need to show who we are out there. We need to be proud. Yeah.
Her deep sense of identity and cultural pride extends to her use of language, as she's one of the few Zimbabwean artists whose music has a linguistic mix of the English, Shona, and Ndebele languages.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Thank
Ngiyabonga.
you. Yeah, thank you. I'm grateful. And Linjani, how are you?
Okay. How do you respond?
Ngiyaphila.
Nyapi. Okay. Let's
Ngiyaphila.
try.
I'm alive.
Nyapila.
Yeah, it means I'm alive.
Nyapila.
Yeah. Linjani.
Nyapila.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And when you want to say I'm hungry, you say ngilenjala. Ngilenjala.
Ngilenjala. Ngilenjala.
Njala. Yeah. Oh my God, it's like you're gonna bite yourself.
I am. I feel like I'm swallowing my tongue.
Okay.
Kla.
It's okay. Ngilenjala. Exactly. So I was raised by my mom, her sisters, and their mother. So they are kind of like from Bulawayo, from Gwanda. They know Ndebele.
Okay.
Yes. And they also know Shona. Like my Shona stuff. You said you hear Shona, right?
Yes, I can hear you. More than I can speak, guys. I can hear more than I speak. Okay.
Okay. So ndakakuzwa kumurekwa mama. I was raised by my mom, my sisters na mama wavo, gogo kwandiri. She's my grandma or makoko in Ndebele.
Ambuya, right?
Yes, Ambuya. Yeah. So they know Shona. Vaitaura Shona and Vaitaura Ndebele at the same time. So when I grew up, nakatanga kudzidzira taura Shona, and I went and stayed for 3 years kuange Bulawayo in Gwanda with my grandma. Yeah,
Right.
Nandrika like a pace, Nanda almost everywhere
with her.
Yeah.
Okay, but so it's because of where they stay, where they live, and you grew up there.
They actually lived in Harare. But then I went around with my grandma, Kumusha, Nana Gwanda, and Bulawayo and stuff. I usually look back, like I saw Taura in Tonga, Venda, and but I grew up and I forgot. Yeah.
Really?
I don't know. It's Mamuka Chini. I think I don't know which language is that. Mamuka say. I used to speak in those type of languages, like 6 languages.
Wow.
Because in Wange they actually speak in so many languages. I just want to communicate with like everyone. We have Bulawayo and Harare. So I just want to communicate with both the Ndebele and the Harare people. Yeah, I just want to be their girl. Harare and Bulawayo.
Yeah. Like the way you were raised. You're telling me you're raised to kind of like move around.
Yeah.
And there are really no borders for you. And so that's what your music reflects. I'm not a musician, but as Africans, you know, more and more the music is having a global platform, and people are becoming more comfortable putting out music in their language. I mean, people in the West might not understand what you're saying, but music crosses a lot of boundaries if it sounds good. I was listening to this song, I didn't know what the heck you were saying.
Which one?
But there's this one that you posted. It was, I think you recently released it.
Oh.
I don't know the name. I can't tell you because it's in Shona. But it's on your Instagram.
Oh, okay.
It was really nice. And then I was like, I don't know what you're saying, but it sounds good.
Thank you.
You know?
Yeah.
So I think collaborations with musicians all over is a thing, and people still sing in their language.
Yeah.
And I think it's actually beautiful that at your age, you're proud to do that, to put out music, to not be pressured to fit a certain stereotype or to fit an image that people say is what's needed to make it big and to blow up.
Yeah.
You know? And we've found that sometimes it's more difficult to actually make it big if you don't have a certain image.
Yeah.
How have you found that to be? Like, do you find that to be true? Has it been difficult for you in the industry? Not conforming to Western beauty standards?
Well, for now, no. Yeah, I have my father and my brothers with me, like everyone is with me, so I really don't feel like it's been hard for me because they've been helping me with advices and chakadaro. When you don't have someone to advise you, most of the times it gets hard. But if you have people, the right people around you, yeah, it's easy.
So you're saying you have support?
Yeah, I do.
And you have people that keep you focused on your goals?
Yes.
We continued our little chat, and before leaving for the studio, she made sure I wasn't the only one learning a new language.
Mamkase.
Oyedu.
Oyedu. Oyedu.
Good. Oyedu.
Oyedu.
Mamukase.
Mugunzwase.
Mugunzwase. Oyefeel.
Oyefeel. Oyefeel.
Oyefeel. Oyefeel today.
Oyefeel today. Okay.
There you go.
Much gay.
Much gay. You eat.
You eat.
You eat. That's
Is that
much gay is like,
patois?
did you eat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's patois. You eat. Or if you want to go deeper, because patois has like, there's misolect, basilect, you know, we learned those things. It's like a continuum, a spectrum, it's a dialect.
Okay.
So all you eat is one end, and then you can say, no, you eat, that's one end. Then you can actually say you nyam.
You nyam.
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 So nyam and eat means the same thing,
You
but eat is
nyam.
the English. You nyam yet?
You nyam yet?
Nyam.
You nyam.
You nyam
You
yet?
nyam yet? It's beautiful.
You nyam not yet? Did you
I
eat
feel like a
anything yet?
baddie. I now feel like a baddie.
As if by some stroke of fate, another musician happened to stroll by, and he wanted to share his music with us.
Nah, ini I'm going.
Yeah.
He identified himself as Posh King and was mesmerized by AfroEB's style.
You look good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love things which are natural. Yeah, so keep it up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, but he didn't stop there. As an underground artist who also does Afro music, he was ready to show off his voice.
Mainwana, kurebera sandiko kugadzirisa musha. Babaivana, kurova vana sandiko kugadzirisa musha. Imi vana vangu, kunetsa kwenyu kuchandiparadzira musha. Imi vana vangu, kunetsa kwenyu kuchandiparadzira musha. Zvaira seiko naivo pave vana vangu, ina ndisati ndaona muchiuya makadhakwa. Miedzo here kana kuti kufurirwa, kunzi itai herere mukadzi wenyu agosvotwa. Kana mukasazvingwarira musha uno unoparara. Thank you.
And in the spirit of their shared love for Afro music, dance, and culture, they decided to put on an impromptu show just for me.
Kurova vana sandiko kugadzirisa musha. Imi vana vangu, kunetsa kwenyu kuchandiparadzira musha. Imi vana vangu, kunetsa kwenyu kuchandiparadzira musha.
After that unplanned jam session in the park, AfroEB and I got back to talking about how we could write a song together that embodies both our similarities and differences as Zimbabwean and Jamaican sisters.
Umudirangarire muzandikanganwe umudirangarire muzandikanganwe umudirangarire muzandikanganwe.
You know what it means?
Musandikanganwe.
Yeah.
Don't forget me. Yes, Musandikanganwe is forget, right?
Yeah.
And then Musandi, it's like don't do something.
Yeah.
So don't forget me. So in Musandikanganwe,
Yeah.
what's the message that you felt in your soul, in your spirit to convey?
Okay, so yes or no, I'm sorry.
It's a girl.
Is the Ndebele part.
Okay.
It says Kumbula Tina Nkosi Somali, like remember us, Lord God. Don't forget us. We need your grace, your love. Yeah, just pour your grace and your love on top of us. Don't forget us. From just like Marombe, like the poor, the ones that don't have money or jobs. Just remember that those from my tribe, or those from my side. I mean, from my, I don't know, whatever. Africans, like we're Africans. Sometimes, the
struggle is real.
Yeah. So tirangarire, yeah.
So it's basically a prayer to God.
Yes, it's a prayer. Msatikanganwe. Pamchesimudza marombe mudunure kwangu, like village, like marine, anything. Msatikanganwe. Remember us, Lord God. It's a prayer. Yeah.
I thought of us from the diaspora not forgetting Africa, not forgetting that's where you're from, not forgetting, the history and where you came from. And not to say your history needs to define your present and your future, but you cannot go successfully into the future without knowing where you must never forget your past, basically. And then also how it correlates to how we should interact and see Africa. We can't deny that there's a lot of, well, now it's changing, but traditionally there's a lot of negativity in media, or was a lot of negativity in media, and I feel like it was a concerted attempt to maybe keep us who are that side from ever looking at Africa as a place to be desired, or as a place to admire, or as a place to want to identify with. And more that's changing. People are traveling, they're coming and seeing for themselves. With the advent of social media, Africa has a voice. African creators are putting out their own stories, and people that's sort of like, oh, wow, really? And people are thinking differently. If I was there, let's say back home, and I saw you and saw your music, and I heard you singing Musandikanganwe, I would think of, don't forget, you guys, don't forget your ancestors, don't forget where you're from, don't forget your roots.
Yes.
That was not my interpretation of it, and I felt it in my soul, like, oh, maybe we can actually do something on it.
Yes.
Put me on a verse, just for fun.
Okay.
What do you think?
You want to sing?
We can try.
Okay.
What do you think?
Using your patois.
Yes, patois, because she obviously won't hear the patois, so I'll use patois.
Yeah.
Is it a deal?
Deal.
And off we went to the studio to make music together. We were both excited to bring Musandikanganwe to life. The title is already there. Now we need to give it meaning.
Oh my God, Lord. Oh my God.
Which way?
That way.
We're turning that way.
Yeah. I'm not sure, but
she doesn't know where we're going. We're
No.
lost in the town.
there's this building, the Joina City building. That one. Jamaica. Did I do it right?
Yeah, he's like, you're from which country? She said, Jamaica. It's Jamaica. Thank you, officers.
Thank you.
Looks like Miami. See, no one talk to me in a fatwa. Yeah, that's how weird is Jamaican at. Big up yourself. I'm a Jamaican.
Can we see your hair? How long it is?
Show me your legs. Blessings, Rasta.
The voices carried across oceans. Dreams buried but never broken.
Infinity, you're mad.
Don't forget the ancestors, the drum beats in you. Remember who you are.
Okay, hi Debra.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm so excited.
I'm good. My name is Infinity Beats and welcome to the studio, Aslas Music Entertainment. Have you been in the studio ever before?
Once, twice, I think.
Twice.
Back in uni, that was like 2014 or some, 2011 or so. Backup singing.
Alright,
that's all.
Great. So this is the studio. We've been waiting for you. Ethnic told me you're coming. It's been a while now.
I heard the track. You're the one who made it.
Yeah, I did make the track.
It's hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a combination, you know. We put our minds together and we came up with something nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Who else do you like make tracks for? There's a lot of people.
Yeah, some seasoned artists and upcoming artists. I work with everyone.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you love doing it.
I love doing it.
You better help me sound nice on the track.
Okay, I will. That's my job. Obviously.
Khumbula thina Nkosi Somandla, khumbula thina Tata Mhlaba, siyabudinga umhlaba wakho, lothando lwakho phezu kwethu. Muzandikanganwe, umudirangarire, muzandikanganwe, umudirangarire, muzandikanganwe, umudirangarire, muzandikanganwe.
Every black man is from the motherland. So when you see her pain, hear her cries from the line, you might speak like percentages and runs. Them lie, why we forget our roots and why corrupt media uniting the truth. Africa, the Africans, you and me, I am you. So no matter what they say, black people don't forget that. Again.
Yes, let's go again.
Okay, this is now, it's actual work. To forget where you come from. Every black man is from the motherland. So when they see your pain, every cry, some deny you might speak life cause you're the chosen one.
I want you to continue from.
Okay.
Now you can put more energy on that part.
Okay. Damn lie, why we forget our roots, then why corrupt the media and hiding the truth? Africa for Africans, you and me, I am you. So no matter what them say, black people, don't forget your history is living in you.
One last take. Okay.
While we forget our roots, then wake up the media and letting the truth. Africa for Africans, you and me, I am you. So no matter what they say, black people, don't forget your history is living in you. To forget where you come from. Every black man is from the motherland. So when you see
You're actually a singer.
yeah. Come from Motherland, chosen ones.
So the first part is Mundirangarire Musandikanganwe.
Mundirangarire
Yes.
Musandikanganwe.
Yeah. The second part is Mutirangarire Musatikanganwe.
Mutirangarire Musati Kanganwe. Okay.
That's it. So Mundirangarire Musandikanganwe. Mutirangarire Musatikanganwe. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Simple.
Rangarire, musandikanganwe, mutirangarire, musatikanganwe.
Finally, we're done.
Remember who you are and move forward as one.
AfroEthnic baby. Pamucha simuta marombe mudunure kwedu. Pamucha simuta wangwe musasiebe kwedu. Nesua, tinojida nesua. Chisarura masua, tinojida nesua. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe.
Don't you forget where you are come from. Every black man is from the motherland. So when you see our pain, every cries, don't deny. Unite, speak life, cause you're the chosen ones. Them lie, while we forget our roots, then why corrupt the media and hiding the truth? Africa for Africans, you and me, I am you. So no matter what them say, black people, don't forget your history is living in you.
Muzandikanganwe, mutirangarire, muzandikanganwe.
Mundirangarire, musandikanganwe, mutirangarire, musatikanganwe.
Kumbola tena nkosi somandla. Kumbola tena tata wamhlaba. Siyabudinga umhlaba wakho nothando lwakho phezu kwethu, yeah. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe.